Eugene, what's going on, man? Hey, this is Joe with Metro Design, and I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, get you higher in those Google rankings, and get you some of those leads that you're missing out on. So first thing, content. Content is king. So you want as much words on your website that you can. Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 on your homepage, and on your back pages between 500 to 700. Obviously, if your competition has like 1,000 words on their back pages, that 500 to 700 word goal doesn't really apply. You want to do 1,500 words on your back pages, so you can beat them in every aspect. So we're gonna scroll real quick, and your website looks pretty good. Definitely bare when it comes to content though. It was a little over 300, so not close at all to that 1,500 to 2,000 mark Google likes to see. As well as you want to put keywords in there that people are searching for. Some keywords are better than others, meaning some keywords have higher search volumes throughout the month. You want to put those into your keyword or into your content. And then for your back pages, I think most of them look about the same. So it was about 300 words for your back pages as well. And you want that 500 to 700 word goal, and you want keywords in there as well. Now if we come over here, look at your competitor. You can see his website is pretty built out, pretty big. As far as his content on his homepage though, he was only sitting at a little over 600. So if we get that 1,500 to 2,000 goal to reach, you could blow him out with content on his homepage. For his back pages though, he has a little under 1,400. You would need 1,700 to 2,000 words on your back pages. All of these are counting as words, which is somewhat smart but also somewhat stupid, because he could have put like keywords here instead, but instead he wanted to use zip codes. So we'll fill up this space with keywords, give us more search volume, and it would give us more content on our back pages as well to beat him in that area. Next, citations. This is how many different websites have your business name, address, and phone number on them. The more you have, the easier it is for Google to rank you in the Google map listings. So your competitor right here, 28, and you're sitting at 7. So not a big gap, but big enough to keep you out of getting those leads. So you can come in here, type in the information same way I did, same website, and go get the ones that you're missing out on, the 21 that you're missing, get you up to 28, and you may or may not outrank him there. But what we do is we try to pile on as many as possible. So by the time he realizes he's not on top, it's going to be harder for him to go get somebody to go get some more citations. So that's why we try to pile it on as quick as possible. Citations, pretty straightforward and simple, so not a lot to talk about there. Backlinks, very important. This is what pushes power to your website. So backlinks are how many websites have a link going back to your website. The more you have, Google thinks you're more popular, so they push you to the top. But as well as you don't want quantity. You want to focus on quality when it comes to backlinks. So you can have, 20 bad backlinks, and somebody else could have 10 good quality backlinks, and they'll win every time. So keep that in mind. You want quality over quantity when it comes to backlinks. So this is you right here. You can see you have 0 backlinks coming to you, 0 websites with backlinks going to you. So you don't really have any power going to your website. So that's why you're not ranking on Google, as well as the 2 other things we talked about. So if we go over here, grab your competitor real quick. I'll show you why he is where he is today. Why he's getting all your leads. So all right. See the big difference right here? Huge. He has 210 websites that have 1.91 thousand backlinks going to him. So yeah, that's why he has power going to his website. That's why he's ranking #1 and getting all the leads. Usually, more often than not, we're not going to have to go out and get the 1.91 thousand backlinks he has. We can go out and get fewer than this, because we'll focus on getting that good quality backlinks over getting quantity backlinks. So it won't take us, all these backlinks to get where he's at. So, I think that's basically it. That's the 3 things I wanted to really focus on today on this video. You have a good potential business. So let's grow it together. You can reach back out to me, through Facebook, or call or text me anytime. 515-468-3039.